Hi, my name's Emma Murphy, and my speech is about the consequences and the causes of global warming. And also ignore how I sound because I have a really bad cold and I probably will be sniffling through this whole thing. The Earth's temperature has been rising steadily over the past few decades, and this has led to several negative consequences such as melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and more frequent natural disasters. Global warming is a topic that affects us all, and we must take action to address this issue before it's too late. The Earth's atmosphere has risen by 1.5 degrees Celsius in the last few years. Climate change is a global phenomenon that has many impacts on our daily lives. Climate change can cause crop failures, which lead to food shortages and price spikes. It can cause droughts, heat waves, and others, which lead to heat-related illnesses such as dehydration, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. Climate change can cause natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, and wildfires, which have devastating effects on everybody and everybody's environment. Climate change can cause the extinction of species, disrupt ecosystems, and cause people to migrate due to rising sea levels, droughts, and other environmental factors. It is important that we take action to help fight the effects of our climate change. This can involve reducing our carbon footprint by using renewable energy sources, such as reducing waste and conserving water. We can also support policies that address climate change and promote sustainability. There are many ways that we can reduce our carbon footprint to help slow down global warming. It is important to remember that we all have a role to play in addressing global warming. By making small changes in our daily lives, we can make a big difference in the fight against climate change. We can work together to create a better future for ourselves and future generations to come by reducing our energy consumption, by turning off lights, and unplugging electronics when they're not in use. We can also reduce the use of our single-use plastics by bringing our own reusable bags, water bottles, Tupperware, and others. And we can support policies and innovatives that promote renewable energy and sustainable living. Now let's take a closer look at some of the causing of global warming. One of the main causes is the increase of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun and cause the Earth's temperature to rise. The main greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide, which is released into the atmosphere when we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. Other causes of global warming include deforestation, agriculture, and transportation. There are many negative consequences of global warming, including rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and more frequent natural disasters like hurricanes and floods. These consequences can have devastating impact on our planet and our daily lives. For example, rising sea levels can lead to flooding, while more frequent natural disasters can cause damage to homes and infrastructures. And despite these negative consequences, there is hope. By taking action to reduce our carbon footprint and promote sustainable living, we can slow down global warming and create a better future for ourselves and our future generations to come. We can also support policies and innovatives that promote renewable energy and sustainable living. Global warming is a serious issue that affects everyone, including from babies all the way up to 90-year-old old people. We must take action to address the issue before it's too late. By making small changes in our daily lives and supporting policies and innovatives that promote sustainable living, we can make a really big difference in the fight against climate change in the end. Thanks.